2019 was like I one night stand. You just don't know how, where, and what. You just know it happened. But for Somalis, it was disastrous. So many useless trains took over as we watched. And as a national hero, I felt it was my duty to put an end to this horror before it ruins 2020 for us. As if Somalia has not been through enough. I promise to protect your dignity and bring justice back to your name. So yeah, without further wasting your time today, I'm gonna list the Somali trainers that need to die in 2019 and the trainers that need to be brought in 2020. Let's get to video. Tum. The fake hijab. I'm sick of Khamaris and Scudays. I don't know how this training started. I wonder if the world is running short of marrow. I believe it's due to climate change. What we use as threshold is now acting as hijab of someone. Before we used to wear the hijab, now the hijab is wearing us. But yes, this trend is dead. We are leaving it behind in 2019. 2020, I want to see the real hijab back and overtake this fraud. We want heat to choose confidence. No more temptation. We are tired of heat. 2020 should be a stress-free, scapular-friendly environment, aka no distraction, 100 and concentration. Astaghfirullah! I forgot to brother. Lip syncing. 2018 has been a nightmare for singing. Talentless people have found a platform to work out their lips and still get a recognition. And it has done damage not only to singing, but also to careers and jobs. Wait, I want to be famous on TikTok.
NANI? An extremely annoying shift later.
How much did you work today?
وعن خير المسؤولك إلا ما أنت محقق بنيس.
I got so many likes from the videos I posted on TikTok.
Wow, you're famous. تالنتي ولا ضاين؟ روسعوا. عاق مقاتلك تيك توك.
No.
نعم هذه تيك توك يا كويالي. نروح واحد دكانك بختيو.
This shit is cancer to music, so we are leaving it behind. Yes, delete TikTok. Throw it away next to your 2019 calendar. 2020, we want to hear your real voices. Hashtag free your voice. So what if you can't sing it? It is 2020. Beyonce uses autotune anyways. The Who dancing. I'm sorry, but this shit has gone too far. It was cool at first, but Halimos molested it. It has gone as far as the kitchen. I don't know what is next. The toilet. Who? Looking at my drip, looking at your drip. Who? Mommy, look at me. Oh, I am killing it. Who? Swinging side to side, and I am killing that. Who? Demi, you girl so fine, but her breath is like. Who? She says she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Who? I am his acid out. Oh, looking like a star. Who? Her name is Jenny. Oh, bitch, don't have no bitches. Who?
أعوذ بالله من جنب قلي.
2020, let us bring back the danto. Let us bring back the danto, although it is not healthy for our hairline. Cause study shows that throwing your head like a chicken on heat causes bidar, and that is what we do in the danto. But still, we Somalis, we don't give a about Senis. So yeah, 2020 belongs to danto.
If you cannot beat them, join them.
Internet cables. I have never felt more constipated and qaras igu kicin, aka labjee, than watching cables lip sync to love songs. Giving each other the look of hope as they simultaneously process internal wet dreams. Na'Allah shaydan ku yara, let's get a room. I'm overwhelmed. How did we go from Halima singing as only one big after years of jazzing and spending shahad money to openly boasting about a relationship? To make matters worse, they even have a page for this shameless shit. Escabulos worst nightmare, if you ask me. A lot of you are gonna be like, I'm jealous. Bitch, I'm broke. The last thing I want is to defend my shaft of money. So yeah, 2019 we are leaving this shameless act. And as a Scabolo activist, aka ambassador of the Scabolo community, I'm officially cancelling it.
We don't accept that. We are a great tribe. We know how to fight.
2020, I wanna see a couple singing, depression, anxiety, movies, and below the dust of loneliness to our screens. I always tell myself that you outside my door. I think it I myself, when are you actually gonna clean this floor? Cause of yahay 90% of this place is covered by board. The rest is just me eating sore. The therapist said I have depression, anxiety, movies, and I feel like there is more. Oh, scapulo, oh, scapulo. How long are you going to give me? I just want you to set me free. Lip sync some Hindi song next to me, Habibti. I just want her cook me some hawaji and a little bit of spaghetti. Oh, scapulo, oh, scapulo. Hindi aka Bollywood. This message is exclusive for my fellow Phobis and Halimos. Hindi is dead. Shah Rukh Khan is only ass, and Amir Khan is a fat ass. Salman Khan is a clueless scapulo who don't know what he's doing with his life. How come Hindi is still watched in Somalia? It has been long since anyone else watched it, apart from the Hindians. Achaki sa targa qaatay idinkina wali waa soo taagan tihiin. He is jobless since rumor has it. Anyway, Hindi is so unrealistic that you have to dance it and sing it in any calamity, even at your mother's funeral.
Lil Basto, you are afraid now. बोला चोदिया बोला कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी संजना तेरे बिन चियो नाया लगता मैं थी मर गया हला चला जा हला चला जा सानी हला चला जा हला चला जा चला जा सानी आइला चला जा हला चला जा सानी आइला चला जा Anyways, that's Hindi in a nutshell. And yeah, don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. That is how I will know you dig the video. And yes, subscribe if you are new. I post every week. All way at the center, skated, hopping on the wheels, skated, motion on your beach, skated, turning up, a check with no limited, bobbing on Akis, bills. Got a new car, got a new beach, and I got a new deal.